Let me show you how we can enter and exit the safe mode on Samsung Galaxy S26. So in order to enter the safe mode, first we need to open the power menu. So I'm gonna go to the control center or quick settings, and then here at the top we have this power button. So we're gonna use it to open the power menu. Now in here, press and hold your finger on the power off button, and then it's going to turn into the safe mode. So we can tap on it, and your Samsung Galaxy S26 should reboot and go into the safe mode now. Once it reboots, you will see that we have the safe mode activated here in the bottom left corner. And if you want to now exit the safe mode, you just have to restart your phone. Or you can go to notifications and you can find the safe mode notification in here, so you can tap on it and it will happen exactly. The same thing will happen essentially. So in this case, I'm just gonna open the power menu again and then restart your phone. And there we go. After that, we should be back into the normal mode. Keep in mind that after going to the safe mode, the airplane mode is automatically activated, so be sure to turn it off. Leave a like and subscribe.